Welcome to a quick guide on how to hide your About from specific contacts on WhatsApp Web on PC with the latest update. If you're aiming to keep your status private while still staying connected, this method gives you precise control over who can see your About information. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and you can see all your chats on the left and your conversations on the right. The interface is clean, so you won't have to juggle between apps to tweak your privacy. Next, locate the gear icon to open settings. It's typically at the top of the left sidebar. Click it to access your account and privacy options. This is where WhatsApp bundles your essential privacy controls in one place, making it straightforward to customize what others can view. In the settings menu, click on privacy. This section houses your visibility options for things like profile photo, last seen, online status, and about. We're focusing on about for this walkthrough, so keep an eye out for that option as you scroll through the list. Tap on About to adjust who can see this specific detail. You'll usually see options like Everyone, My Contacts Except, and Nobody. To hide your About from certain people, choose My Contacts Except. This choice lets you exclude specific contacts from seeing your About while still allowing most of your contacts to view it. Now, select the contacts you want to exclude. A list or search field will appear. Browse through your contacts and tick the names you want to block from viewing your About. You can usually select multiple contacts in one go, so you don't have to repeat the process for each person. After you've marked the people you want to exclude, confirm the selection. WhatsApp will apply the changes immediately, and your About will no longer be visible to those you chose. Other contacts will continue to see your About as usual, depending on their own privacy settings. That's all there is to it. By using the My Contacts Except option, you gain targeted privacy without sacrificing connectivity with the rest of your contacts.